Hey guys, welcome back to Tough Little Ranch on the Prairie. I'm Liana, and right now I am hanging out in the chicken coop, and I'm actually just going to take some pellets into the bucks who are right next door here. They're whining and crying that they're hungry, so they've already been fed today, but they don't have any hay over. They don't have any hay over here right now. I need to bring them some more hay, but they also have a lot of waste that they like to drop down and leave in their feeder. So I'm kind of trying to get them to clean up a little bit of their waste, and then I'll bring them some more hay tonight. There you go, guys. We moved Hans back over here a couple weeks ago. He was in with the girls, and then we got the black guy there. That's Cable. He's our he's a yearling buck now. He was a year old, let's see, November, I want to say, October or November. And then we got this little guy here, Stanley. He is a wether. He's, I had him in here with Cable as a companion for the winter. Little chickens are escaping. Come on, little chicks. Get back in here. So he was in with Cable for the winter, just as a companion, because I didn't want him to be alone. They don't really like to be alone, and it gets to be a long winter, so I didn't want him alone all winter long over here. Have somebody to hang out with and help keep warm. Come on, little hennies. We still got some girls in here. Mineral buckets basically empty. A little bit left in there. It's real sticky molasses. Come on, little hennies. You guys gotta get back in here. Come on. Come on, go in there. Nothing like herding chickens. Come on. Come on. Come on, little red. There you go. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. Go back in the coop. Come on. Hey, get in here. We got this one chick, this hen, that hangs out over here all the time with the bucks, which is fine. But these little hens, they're pretty young, and I don't want to say they're dumb, but oops, come on. They're not the smartest. So I'd rather just keep them in the coop for right now. We wouldn't want a predator to come along. Couple fox or a weasel, raccoon, hawk. Hawk could easily snatch up one of these guys. They're just so little. So you little girls need to stay in the coop for right now. Got some straw over for the hens, chickens, so we're gonna spread that out. I also brought them some corn, and it looks like we need to refill that feeder right there that they tipped over. These girls are pretty interested in this little pile of straw I brought over for them. See, they're picking at it. They're picking some seeds out of there from the grain. They're scratching, looking for something to eat. We'll spread that out for them. Got a couple ears of corn I brought over. You girls want some corn? The little chicks might be a little confused about corn, but obviously you can see that big buff Orpington there. She's definitely enjoying it. Rooster back here, and all these other hens fighting over that one ear. These ears won't last too long at the rate they're going. You should give them something to do for a little while. Oh, sorry there, little girl. I didn't mean to throw it right on you. Let's see if I can break this one in half. We're gonna pick up some chicken feed tonight after work. Get this little feeder refilled. These guys were already fed this morning, so don't let them fool you. They're making it look like they haven't ate in a couple days, but seriously, they had feed a few hours ago. All right, let me shut this. Come on, watch out, girls. Usually add some grit to their feed every couple days. And their bigger feeder over there is just about empty. Usually I'll throw a handful of grit in that thing every couple days as well. So that's what I'll be getting some feed today to get that refilled for them. We'll spread some straw out for you guys. We got paper, shredded paper bedding in here, and straw as well. I like to mix it up a little bit. I'm not sure yet how the shredded paper bedding is going to decompose if we put this out in the garden. So I don't want to have a full white garden. Fix this. There we go. That's a little roosting spot for the hens. This girl here's just loving this. Camera shy. I got all these new hens back in February, the little pullets, because the older chickens haven't been laying much. Let's see, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hens, 1 rooster for the older birds. They haven't been laying much. It was winter, so they tend to lay less eggs over the winter. But now, all of a sudden, they've picked up their laying, and I've been getting 4 to 8 eggs a day. So as soon as these little girls start laying, we're gonna have a lot of eggs. Put a little bit in their nesting boxes. Looks like we got eggs in here. Well, what the heck is this? Whichever chicken laid this, we're gonna have to keep that one around. Wow, that's pretty good. Maybe the Easter Bunny visited us early. Well, we got more. Man, that's pretty good. Alright, we're gonna have to put a camera up out here and see which chicken is laying these eggs. These are mine, girls. You stay away. Well, we'll let you girls scratch around a little bit. Enjoy your new bedding and your corn. thanks everybody for watching. We appreciate every view that we get, and if you guys have any questions or comments that you just have for us, please post them below. Hopefully you guys enjoy the different videos that we're doing with chickens and goats and pigs and sheep, and trying to include everything. Just get a little bit of variety for hopefully get more people interested. So please just keep watching, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please post those and we will make sure that we get back to you guys. So hope everyone has a good spring. Warm weather's on the way, and have a good Easter holiday. Hopefully you'll have Easter Bunny bring you some good eggs as well. You guys are just chilling. You got sunshine out here, fresh bale.